Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 3, AmaZulu 0. I'm joined by Ipen 10.
Sibo ngicela ukuqala ngikhulume ngeteam enkulu ebidlala namhlanje.
Yes.
iPirates idlale kakhulu, idlale kahle kakhulu, quality football. Njalo masibuka hlezi happy. Mara netso ukuthi sometimes asicapitalize. Le game bekumele maybe ngabe scoreile 6 or 7. So sibonile nabo Mfukeng bamesa ama penalty but kujwayelekile. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi le 3 lebe kumele sikore enye, maybe sibekele next week. Ukusoyisha next week lapha. So against ungababizi ngamagama bayalo labantu
abasabizwa ngamagama
no labasibaye kanje so le 3 leso phinde sishaye next week yabo so cause manje if sayishaya le 6 le bazosuke bethuka kakhulu already banefear labantu laba basaba so baworried ngathi basheza thina sifuna ileague bona balandela thina so njengamasu number 1 sidlale kahle kakhulu apolice man of the match udlale kakhulu quality player Mfukeng nothing to say about him
like Mfukeng novila
so yabona akanavalo like yonke into yenza right so ubonile negoal alikorile it's like maybe abo Messi so izinto za ku PlayStation like wenza izinto lezo uyibuza ukuthi how kahle the only question you can ask is how
did he do that
so bona next week hopefully siyawuthatha 3 points siphuma kanje and then iligi inzima kakhulu so kunzima kakhulu njengamanje so okubalekile thina ukuthi swina wonke ama game ethasele and then sobona makuphela isizini
asibonge Pente yabo njayami ubuye ngiyacela njayami ngiyacela Pente uphuma khona round nani